In a world where bold traditions meet smoky innovation, few pairings ignite the senses like smoked lamb shawarma and Roman-style pizza. One, a tapestry of spices, gently kissed by smoke, echoing the soul of ancient Middle Eastern markets. The other, a crispy, airy canvas born in the streets of Rome, light, crackly, and unapologetically simple. Together, they form an unexpected harmony, the deep, primal flavor of smoked lamb melting into the crunch of crispy pizza. Each bite, a dance of fire, spice, and heritage. This is not fusion, it's a celebration of contrast. Old world meets new flame, and once you tasted it, there's no going back. Meet the zgrills, the wood pellet grill that turns ordinary backyard cookouts into smoky, savory showstoppers. With premium stainless steel finishes and up to 28 hours of runtime on a single hopper, this grill doesn't just perform, it flexes. Locking casters? Check. 2 meat probes? Yep. Manual feed, grease system, auto startup, cool down, storage cabinet, all there, all zgrills. And that hopper cleanout? Let's just say your future self will thank you. This beauty isn't just built tough, it's built smart. With the set it and walk away magic of zgrills, you can load it, lock it, and lounge. The Wi-Fi and Bluetooth app lets you monitor everything from your phone, so go ahead, grab a cold one, and let the grill do the work. But here's something cool. The zgrills reward crowdfunding program is not just about buying a great pellet grill today, it's about long-term rewards. When you buy a zgrill, you're supporting a growing brand, and in return, you get 10 more upgraded grills over 50 years, totally free. Every 5 years, they send you a brand new grill. You just cover a small shipping fee or pick it up yourself. Every bite bursts with real wood fire flavor. No guesswork, no flare-ups, just perfect heat control and mouth-watering results. So if you want awesome grilling now and more rewards later, check out zgrills and elevate your barbecue experience.